This one a BBL do.
Me!
Go do fake yash. This girl we don't suffer time when they carry from village come. See the kind girl we give me in the tell me say I don't under my mom. No. She's not my class. She's not my class.
She's not my class in English.
No. Hey! Hello guys, my name is Funny Bash. I'm right here now to shoot a blind date. So what is your name, my bro?
Alex.
So what about you?
Ayomide.
Ayomide, wow. So if I count 1, 2, 3, you guys will turn around. 1, 2, 3. Please turn around. I see you now.
Bash, which kind girl be this one wey you give me? Now this kind of thing I ask for. I say me give me girl wey dey okay, you carry local 3 give me. Which kind girl be this one wey you carry give me?
So this girl no sharp like
she dey okay. How she dey okay? Now the girl wey me and you talk about be this. This girl wey be like local 3 wey don't rub bleaching cream tire. Which kind girl be this one wey you give me?
Like just look at me. Like, look.
What the fuck is this? I don't like this girl. Which kind girl be this one wey you give me now?
No, you're shouting. Look at the way you're
Waiting to now.
No, look.
Now wetin me and you discuss be this? Now the girl wey me and you discuss be this.
Look, see my color now.
Which color? This girl wey don't rub bleaching cream tire.
Me.
See on your body stretch mark. Which kind girl be this one wey you give me now?
No go to say my outfit.
I wetin I pay for be this?
See you.
Now wetin I pay for be this?
I don't like child abuse because you go in a child abuse.
This guy
dey under him mom. I know they follow child abuse.
See the kind girl wey give me in they tell me say I dey under my mom. This kind girl, you know how many girls go don, you know how many guys go don pound am.
You know my spec.
You know how many guys go don pound this kind girl.
You know my spec.
See slippers.
Oh,
you know it's
you know how much I buy am.
See that girl be this one.
See wetin you and my brother dash me. You
this kind girl be this. Now wetin me and you discuss be this?
Calm down.
See you shop.
Funny Bash, man talk.
Wait, you know calm down. Okay, you tell me man calm down.
You know my spec.
I wetin I pay for be this?
No guy wey tall, black guy, instant. Maybe say if he just look me.
This guy no get class.
You need to see.
No, this guy no get class.
See now. Shake up for them.
No.
Hey!
This guy
Hey!
See, I go vex for you. See, no be wetin me and you discuss be this.
You never even see
No, let me
money
vex. No be wetin me and you discuss be this.
person wey never see money bag in here wey wan take care of.
He say I no see.
I know they
What you do this girl now?
I know they do it.
You know sharp. You know the super.
I know they do it.
You know guy. You know my guy.
I know they do
No, this guy don't go do BBL. He don't go do BBL. I know they follow girl when they do BBL. I know they follow girl when they see K-leg. I don't need this girl.
You go talk say you use style dey fall for me.
I know they fall for you. I don't need this girl.
For me.
Hey.
You share that bills. You know
Wait now.
my bills. You know if feed me.
If I give another girl now, you know go back go toast now.
No. She's not my class. She's not my
She's
class.
not my class in English. Yeah, by force I speak English. Must you speak English? Me I no go school now. Me I no go school. I be local girl. So person dey talk. He say we calm down. We follow a classic game. Ma touch you. See me.
No, this girl don't get class. See person who say get class. This girl don't suffer time when they carry from village come.
Oh my God.
You know how many this girl go don spend for village because they carry am come from village now. He go do BBL.
As I dey like this, I be confirm my children web babe.
Look at God. No, I don't need this girl. I don't need this girl.
Classic girl. Oma they do say I want to dey form. I know they form because I want to do fake life. I'm not doing fake life, bro.
Wait now. After this guy now, which kind of guy now you want to bring for you for the next video?
Okay, the next video. I mean, I need a tall guy. Like, so you know the way she opens with this. That's my spec. Exactly like that. That kind of guy, now be my spec.
Okay, so now look the camera and check your hit.
Oh
my God. Hey, oh boy. Oh my, still get away the miss. No. You know guy now, still get away the miss.
No.
No worry. If you don't come meet me, I go let you know. All these kind of people now, they enter DM. Babe, I'm sorry. I just want to. You stand down.
You just say no go jump for my back.
I know they fear. You know my business.
So now which kind of girl you want to bring for you like this now?
Girl we dey okay, we set, we fine. This one a BBL do.
Me.
Go do fake yash. This one no be natural. This one a BBL go do. Hey.
Oh, but you need to see.